2018 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, compass, trip computer, CD player, tachometer, panic alarm, power moonroof, overhead console, remote keyless entry, brake assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.